Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and we are here for our maths coaching class. So let's get started, dear children. If you remember our last class, we did smart tables, right? We were learning about smart tables in the last class. So today we are going to do something related to that, like a step ahead we will take. So let's see what it is. I have shared my screen. I hope you are able to see that. All right, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so over here, dear children, let's draw graphs from smart tables. Today we are going to do smart tables part 3. And in this, you have to draw the graphs using the smart tables, right? With the help of these smart tables, we are going to draw the graphs. Let's represent this data in the form of histogram. Over here, this is the data of students and their mode of transport. Like what mode of transport do they use? Maybe to go to school or come back from school. So here bus, 20 students use bus or 20 students come by bus. Auto rickshaw, 30 of them come by auto rickshaw. Train, 20 students commute by train. And self-transport, maybe their parents drop them or they come by bicycle. So 10 of the students are from that category. So this is the way you can draw histogram. So over here, bus. Here on the x-axis, so this is called as x-axis. Over here, what we have done is, have a look. This is x-axis, the sleeping line, and the y-axis is the standing line. On the x-axis, I have mentioned the number of students. Okay, basically, I have mentioned the mode of transport here. And this on the y-axis, I have mentioned the number of students. So as you can see on the x-axis, I have represented this mode of transport. So the first mode of transport is bus. And how many students are using bus? So 20. I have made a bar. It's just like a chocolate bar that I have made. So 20 students are using bus, or they are coming or they are commuting by the bus. So this blue color bar represents the number of students. Next one is auto rickshaw. So I can see that 30 students use auto rickshaw as a mode of transport. So I'll make this bar up to 30. On the left side, you can see the number of students, right? So 30 students are using auto rickshaw. Then we have train. Train, 20 students are using train, or they're coming by or they're going by train using as a mode of transport. So here for a train, there are 20 students. We are marking here on 20. And self-transport, we have 10 students who are coming by their own transportation system. They're using their own transport. So 10 are coming by their own transport. That's how we can say. Earlier, we were using the tallies. We were using tallies to represent the data. We were putting some tally marks. But now we are making a histogram. We are making a bar graph so that we can represent our data. Of as you can see. Now, if I talk about grade B, 20 students, grade B. Grade C, 25 students over here. I have made this bar up to 25, and D is 10. So 10 students scored D. E is scored by 5 students. So I have made the bar up to 5. Right? So this is A, B, C, D, E. These are the grades. You can even write here that these are the grades. And here you can write the number of students. So these are the axes, like this is the y-axis that you are using for number of students, and this is the x-axis. The sleeping line is the x-axis. YouTube, I want all of you to kindly respond in the live chat. A question, or you want me to explain that again, or you want to give answer to any of the questions, make sure you are using you're making use of that chat box. Okay? And even the ones who will watch it later, you can use chat box. All right? Perfect. Now we will do this. Like Monday, 50, Tuesday, 150, Wednesday, 100, Thursday, 250, Friday, 300, Saturday, 650, and Sunday, 700. Let's make it. On x-axis, we have represented, like we have written down the days, and then on y-axis, it's the number of visitors. So here on Monday, 50 visitors were there. So I'll mark it up to 50. So they visited zoo. Visitors to a zoo on days of week, 50 here. Next is Tuesday, 150. So I have not written 50 and 150 on this line, right? But it is understood. If this is 0, this is 100, the mid number is 50. If this is 100, this is 200, the mid number is 50, isn't it? 200, 300, mid number is 250. Okay, so that's how you can even identify. It's not mandatory that every time you will write the number, but it should be self-understood that if 300 and 400 is here, the middle number should be 350. Okay, so on Wednesday, it's 100. 100 is there, so I've drawn it there. After that, Thursday, it's 250. Yeah, on Thursday, it is 250. So I have drawn it up to here, 250. Friday, 300. Let's draw it up to 300. Then on Saturday, it's 650, which will be between 600 and 700. And on Sunday, it is 700. Right? So that's how you have to do it. This is how you represent the data in the form of histogram or bar graph, you can say. Next question we will do. So today we are going to practice these kind of questions only. And trust me, children, this is the easiest part, the easiest one. So let's see what are the other questions. So you will be given with the data. All you need to do is you need to just draw the bars. Okay, I want you to do this question. I hope it's done, because the data is given, the categories are given. You just need to find out, you just need to draw the bars. That's it. So here, children, draw the bars. This is the bar graph where you have to draw the bar. So Monday, 20, I'll draw a bar till 20 right here. Then Tuesday, 15. This is Wednesday, 10. Thursday, 15. Friday, 20. Saturday, 25. And Sunday, 30. Now, this is a bar graph, dear children, because the bars are separated. We'll do histogram also. Here, the main thing is, how would you divide the data? Like, how would you set the range? Here, you have written the numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. In the last question, last bar graph question, the data was like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. It is not in the gap of 50. You can do that as well. That is also okay. You can write like 50, 100, 150, 200, but it is going till 700. So 50, 100, 150, 200, like that you have to write so many numbers. So this is also the right way. And the current question that we are doing, the bar graph question, this is also right. So it's in your hands, like what kind of range do you want to set? Again, here you have to make a histogram basically. So here the range is given 81 to 90, 5 students. Here is a list of students and their grades. Okay, so I can see that this is a list of students and their heights. 81 to 90 centimeter, 5 students have the height of 81 to 90 centimeter. Okay, there are 5 students whose heights it's between 81 to 90 centimeter. And 91 to 100 centimeters, 15 students are there. 101 to 110 centimeters, 20 students are there. 111 to 120 centimeters, 15 students are there. 121 to 130 students, 10 students are 121 to 130 centimeters, 10 students are there. So first is 81 to 90. So this is between 81 to 90, right? So it's 5 students. So I have made 5 students. Then 91 to 115. We have the other set of students from 101 to 110, 111 to 20, and 21 to 30. So here we need to just adjust it. Hold on. Right. So here I will mark it like this: 91 to 100, 100 to 110 will come here, 100. Wait, I'll draw the graph. It in a rough way, 81 to 90, it will be 5. Right here and then here. 91 to 100, it's 15. So I'll think I have to stop here. This is not with exact measurement, but that's how it is going to be. 91 to 100 will be like this. I have to stop here. So 91 to 100 right here. Then 101 to 110 is 20. That means up to here. So it will be like this. 111 to 120, it is 15. Okay, so again, I have to be till here. Then 121 to 130, it's 10. So right here. This is a histogram. And that's how you have to do it. Okay? I hope it is clear to you, dear children. Yeah. If this is so, then now we can move to the next one. Let's see. Here again, you have to make a histogram wherein you are given with the number of students and the marks scored by them. 1 to 20, ranging between 1 to 20, there are 10 students. 21 to 40, here we have gap of 20. So 21 to 40, 15 students. 41 to 60, 25 students. 61 to 80, 10 students. And 81 to 100, 15 students. Come on. This is a histogram. These are joined, like the data is combined, right? The range is. So here, if I talk about 1 to 20, there are 10 students. So starting from 1 going to 20, there are 10 students. So I have stopped at 10. 21 to 40. 21 to 40, there are 15 students. So 21 to 40, 15. I have stopped at 15. 41 to 60, 41 here to 60, it's 25. You can see right here, 25. 61 to 80, 10. That's how we can see 10. 81 to 100, 15. See? So this is a histogram. That's how you have to draw it. Just look at the data and then it will be very easy for you to draw. If the data is there with you, obviously, with the data and for the data only, you have to draw the histogram. So just look at the first thing, what should be the range. Once you are done with the range, start making the bars. Okay. So we'll go to the next question now. All right. This is the next question. Wait, I think we have done this. No, this is different. So here it was 1 to 20 and this is 1 to 10. Range from 1 to 10. Children, please do share this video with your friends. Let them know about these free coaching classes so that they can also take full benefit of these classes. So here is the data of students and their marks that they have scored. Students who have scored between 1 to 10, there are 5 students. 11 to 20, there are 20 students. 21 to 30, there are 30 students. 31 to 40, 15 students. And 41 to 50, there are 10 students again. So let's see. 1 to 10, there are 5 students. So wait a second. Okay, so here 1 to 10, there are 5 students. Then from 10 to 20 means 11 to 20, there are 20 students. 21 to 30, we have 30 students. 31 to 40, we have 50 students, 15. And 41 to 50, we have 10 students. From 41 to 50, there are 10 students. So this is a kind of histogram that you will get with this data. Again, writing x-axis here, y-axis here. Here, number of students. Sorry, here it will be marks. 1 second. I'll write down the marks obtained by them on x-axis. And here it will be number of students. Right? Let's go to the next question. And of course, let's do this. The last question. You have to represent this data of customers visiting in a bank. So time interval is given, like between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. How many customers visit the bank? 20 customers actually visit the bank at that time. Then between 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., 15 customers visit there. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., 10 customers. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., 25 are there. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., 20 are there. Make a histogram. So from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 20 customers are there, right? So 10 to 11, I'll mark it up to 20, like up to here, from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., 15 are there. 15 customers visited the bank between 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. Then 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., 10 customers visited from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., 25 customers. That means I have to go till here, somewhere around here. Then 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., 20 customers. So this is again x-axis. This is y-axis. I've just put a dotted line. We'll join now. 10 a.m. to, like here I have written the time. So I will write time here. And over here I have written customers, the number of customers. So I will write number of customers. Okay. That's how you have to do. And always remember 0 is here. Okay. We have 0 over here. Let's do it. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. See, 20 is here, right? And we have made a bar up to 20 only. So from 11 to 12 p.m., it's 15. as you can see here. From 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., it's 10. From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., it's 25. And 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., it's 20. So in a histogram, you make the graph kind of like this. In a bar graph, there are separated bars that you draw. So these are just the different ways of representing the data. Could be in the form of bar graph or in the form of histogram or the smart tables, the tally marks that we have put. So all are the ways of representing data, entire data. So why do we, like, we have already done this, like, why do we need to represent the data in a great way so that it can be clearly understandable? You can understand that clearly, or, to have the information in a proper way. That's why we need to arrange the information and present the information in a proper way. So this is about the smart tables, the other part. I hope you understood whatever we have done today. Children, if you have any doubts or anything that you don't understand, you can obviously leave a comment, or right now I'm here, you can drop me a message in the live chat box. Also, make sure you practice a lot so that you can get a hold of it. You just need to make sure, like, you just need to find out what is the range in which the numbers are lying, or what is the range that you have to pick up to write down the number of students or whatever it is. And then the data that is given, the marks, or maybe the number of visitors or the number of customers, then just keep on drawing the bars. And make sure, like, one thing that you need to keep in mind is the bars should be of the same width. Okay, the bars should be of the same width. That you have to keep in your mind. And make sure the level, like if it's 15, make sure you put it on 15. Even if it goes 1 point up, that will be 16 and your answer will be wrong. So make sure you put the bars on exact same line. Right? So thank you so much, dear children, once again for joining the class. I'll see you in the next session super soon. By the time, take care, have fun, and keep practicing. Thank you.